Sweet. Take this, delayed heal. Another Colossus. No problem. The dead one's corpse is right over there. Go ahead and put as many into this shrine. Head Stompers, I would have rather gotten something better, but whatever. Kill all of them. Go ahead and get close to me, Colossus. Not gonna enjoy it. You're not enjoying it. Warned you. Another Head Stompers. It's giving me all this stupid stuff now. Because it knows better. It knows I'm beating it. Let's see. Bitterroot? Sure. I like how it gave me the dice as an option. Like I'm going to take it. Activate Divine Teleporter. What can it possibly throw at me that's going to be any different? A Wandering Vagrant? Really? It has 34,000 health. And is blue. I don't think it's making a difference. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 7... Wow, my health actually got so low that it needed to use that. No! Laser drone. Laser drone. Laser drone. That's a pretty cool way to end that. I've unlocked things. Looks like a bag of marbles or candy. And a new character. I'm going to try that character. What's this character? Loader. Loader is a high damage close combatant with a unique skill. Hydraulic Gauntlet can be used to rapidly reposition or to place conduits far apart. Used to breach shield as a hit and run shield. Okay. Knuckle Boom, batter nearby enemies for 120. Every third hit deals 240 and knocks up enemies. Shield 100% of your health for 3 seconds while also increasing movement speed. Shield yourself for 100% of your health, so you'll have like 1. Fire your gauntlet forward. If it hits an enemy or wall, you pull yourself towards them, stunning and hurting enemies for 210%. Lightning Rod. After placing 2 lightning surges between them, dealing 80% damage per second for 9 seconds. Probably not the best character that I would want, really. Why did I unlock him? Was it for going through the teleporter? Well, anyway, I think I'll give him a try. Quick